Hi, my name is Matthew Rozier. I'm the CEO of Wildcat PowerGen. In this video, we're going to talk about the Wildcat Roughneck. At first, we're going to talk about the Wildcat Roughneck diesel lineup. Every single Wildcat starts with one thing, and that's the engine. When it comes to engines, we've spent a lot of time making sure that we find the absolute best product. In the Wildcat Roughneck diesel lineup, we use exclusively Koloskar oil engines. Koloskar is a world-renowned company that we're proud to say is our partner in going to the market space. Koloskar builds over 180,000 generators a year. That's incredible when you think about Wildcat and its ability to produce, perform, and provide. Hey, every Roughneck diesel needs a diesel tank. Below, we've got a UL142 24-hour tank. We also have 96-hour tanks for all the models, ready to go for the Roughneck. We're going to switch gears and talk about natural gas and propane now. Every Wildcat Roughneck is powered by an 1800 RPM liquid-cooled engine. We also use diesel derivatives. This power plant, the KP3, is from Aero Engines out of Tulsa, Oklahoma. When we talk about the Wildcat Roughneck and we were getting ready to build this, what we wanted to provide is reliability. And reliability is what we've given. We've gone with a diesel derivative versus an automotive derivative. This diesel derivative, KP3 from Aero Engines, man, this is going to give us tens of thousands of runtime, not hundreds like some of others. But that's what this block is designed to do. Steel block, wet sleeves, coilovers. Guys, this is the cat's meow of the emergency standby market. So all Wildcat Roughnecks come dedicated voltage from the factory. 120, 240 volt single phase, 208, 110 three phase, 240 volt 123 phase, or 480 volt 277 three phase. You tell us what you want, we get it ready for you direct from the factory. Hey, listen, at Wildcat PowerGen, it is important for us to make sure that we match the best product with the best product. We talked a little bit about the engine a little bit ago. Now we're going to talk about the alternator. In the Roughneck standby line and even in our prime lines, we've chosen to go with Stanford alternators. Been putting out power in alternators for 120 years. The reputation is backed. It is the best quality product to go with the very best engine. We've spent a few moments talking about the Roughneck engine and alternator. Now it's time to talk about another major component, the controller. Here at Wildcat, our goal is to keep things simple, non-proprietary. So we've gone with the Deep Sea 6110, extremely robust controller for the stationary application, but we wanted to keep it simple and we took it one step further. We made a simple 2-wire remote start contact for the electrician. Ground one wire and the engine comes alive. Hey, the great thing about the Roughneck is the Roughneck simplicity. You can see that in our power distribution panel. Yes, we're UL2200 compliant and we're UL2200 listed, and we use UL listed products. Just check out our Eaton breakers. Everything in the Roughneck meets and exceeds the certifications you need, but they're simple, as the Roughneck needs to be. Let's talk about the Roughneck enclosure. Hey, built after those guys on the platform, the Roughneck themselves, they work all day throwing chain. This thing is built just like these guys. It'll take abuse. Powder-coated steel, ready to take sustained winds of Cat 5 hurricanes, sound attenuation all the way throughout, critical grade silencer, provides 68 dB at 6 meters. Guys, this is the cat meow of enclosures. No aluminum, all steel. The Wildcat Roughneck. The Wildcat Roughneck, whether you need diesel or natural gas, is built to perform. Prime movers and stationary applications. Wildcat's leading the charge.